So we're back at the Lowe's outlet. Last week was my first time visiting this Lowe's outlet, and I was surprised based on the stuff I was able to find. Well, I'm back. This place is huge. Last week we saw the shop vac. I'm not sure how frequently they put new products on the floor. I'm assuming as soon as they sold out, but they told me the warehouse in the back is just as big as almost the floor. I do gotta get a few containers, so I will be purchasing these. Now, to be fair, I don't think these are much cheaper here. I did find them on Lowe's online for roughly around the same price, 27 gallons, so I need a few of those. But more importantly, I'm back for the shelving. The shelving, I feel, is a great deal. And after you put this together, well, when you buy it a la carte, is that it comes out to $100. But online, this whole entire shelf is like $300. So what you need to get the pillars, and you need to get the shelf, and then you need to get the bedding for the shelf. So you're buying 1, 2, and then the bedding. 3. And I believe it's going to be about $80 to $90 when you put it together. And you can get them different sizes, and different sizes have different price. And if I'm not mistaken, the last time I was here, the 84-inch actually cheaper than the 77. So these are 77 shelf brackets. I'm not sure what they're calling them. I wonder if this can fit in my car. And it do support 3,000 pounds. This one supports 3,000. This one supports 3,000 versus 3,500 is the way it can support the 77. And this one is also 3,000, but this is the longer version. This is the 84. So I have to determine, do I get the 84 or 77? Oh, and by the way, these are the shelves. You have the 36-inch, and then you got the 48-inch as well. Come in different sizes. I don't want the small one. I want the big one. But they're all looking small, to be fair. Now I'm gonna embark on refrigerator hunt. There's a sea of refrigerators. However, they told me from this blue pole to like all against the wall is a French door. So I'm looking for French doors, pretty much the 2 doors on top and the tray at the bottom for the freezer. So we're about to comb through a lot of these fridges and figure out particular about the brand. This one seems affordable. It was $2,700 or $2,774. Now it's marked down to $924, 75% savings. So the red sticker is gonna be 75% savings. So I'm looking for something like this. I have to go 77 inches tall and about 35 inches wide. I think this fit the bill. However, last time I was here, I mentioned that the handles were missing, but that's not the case. The handles are usually inside the fridge. Crazy if this, oh yes, right, a handle will be here. That's right, it's not bad. It's not bad, it's very spacious. You got the shelving on both sides, and then at the bottom, you got the freezer drawers. This one seems deep, yeah. Not mad at LG, so far so good. And this price is not bad too. So I'm looking to come in under $1,000, LG French door fridge. So we'll consider this. This one does look on the line, if you could tell real closely. It's not lined up. I don't see no dents. And fun fact about this store, you can actually move the fridge out of its position. And back here, there's some paperwork. And back here, the paperwork tells you some information. Let me tell you what it shows you. Now this is zoomed in all the way. See if I could take this off. Probably could, yep. It was just held on by a tape. Anyways, you're gonna have all the information, scratch and dent. So the condition of this is scratch and dent, so I have to look for it. Sometimes it could be on the under tray, underneath, maybe the bottom of the actual refrigerator. Customer no longer wants it, so this did not accept delivery. So it's been stored in the warehouse. Damage location, the back. So it's actually telling you where the damage is at. I don't know if these are damaged. Nope. All y'all appliance gurus out there. Oh, I see it. I do see it. The damage is right here. Is right here. Damn, that's significant, bro. Yeah. I don't know if I want to take a chance on this. This is caved in, but everything else looks good. Let's keep moving. So I'm gonna put this back, and we're gonna push this fridge back. I think we're good. Let's keep it moving. And another thing too, there's 3 stickers. There's the green sticker, the yellow sticker, and the red sticker. The red sticker can give you the most savings, which is 75%. The yellow sticker can give you 50%, and I believe the green sticker can give you 30%. So that's the way you can look at it. You gotta be very careful what you purchase, because you only have 2 days to test this product out before you can return it. So I'm looking more so for a product where they have overstock. So refusal at delivery, open box, those are the items I will look for. Damage, be very careful about that. I'm not an appliance guru. I don't know where to look for the particular damage. If it actually titled where the damage is at, that's great, but I don't know what that's gonna look like for the future. Still get the savings we want, but also get the product we're looking for. And even though I have a budget, there's a little wiggle room that we can look into. This one's 50% off. It's now going for $1,174. Definitely come with the French doors. However, it does got the drinking fountain I don't even drink from. Even though my water is filtered, deep fridge, not bad. But I feel we can find something better than that price. Here's another LG. Is this the same LG? No, this one does come with a filter. Suggested retail was $26.99, 75% off to $900. This one does have the handles already on there, which is dope. Now we need to figure out, okay, Shelving is not bad. Not mad at it at all. So far, so good. I don't see no dents in the front of it. Ooh, that's dirty, so that would need to be cleaned. But that's fine, because saving some money. So let's pull this out and see where the damage is at. Don't think I'm doing something I'm not supposed to. They told me last time I visit here that I can pull the fridges out, look in the back of it for the paperwork, so I can determine what's the issue is. So I'm gonna sneak back here real quick. I'll be right back. The condition is used. Customer no longer wants it. Interior damage. Seems like the customer have it. Interior damage, definitely been used, so it's probably accepted by delivery or has been accepted by the customer and they disregarded. So yeah, no go. If you guys wondering why I'm eating M&Ms, I feel like it's gonna be an all-day affair. Just a sea of freaking refrigerators. So I need a snack. So now we're looking at, what brand is this? Oh, this is an LG, but this one doesn't have it. Looks fairly new. The handles are inside. This one looked like a winner. 75% off. Now it's down to $774. It was $2,300, guys. I don't know if this is problematic, but attention installers, for a quality installation, follow these tips, ideas on how to do so. I noticed that this document is not on a lot of these fridges. I wonder if this is a unique way to install the fridge. I also found some minor damage. There's a dent right there on the top. But let's see what the paperwork says. Scratch and dent, customer refusal at delivery, missing part, damaged location left. It looks like we identify it. It looks like that's the culprit right there. I'm not gonna bore you guys no longer. I'm gonna stomp up and down these aisles looking for a French door fridge. I'll tap in with you a little bit later, show you guys around. It's a tad bit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that now because I gotta come right back and get right back to work looking for a fridge. Center of the store is where you're gonna find it and wash. Guys looking for it. The same concept applies. You're gonna find green, red, and yellow tags, and that's pretty much what the discount's gonna be. You're gonna find all brands. It's gonna be the same concept. Has it been used, accept delivery, return, scratch and dents, all that applies. On the very front of the store, and there's nothing but washers and dryers towards the back. There, he just dropped one. And even small fridges is back here. Washers and dryers, again, same thing applies. Green sticker, yellow sticker, red sticker, all the way towards the back. And you can also find vanities on this side as well. I'm not sure if they come in different kinds. Allen roof one look like a double vanity. Or it two? Nope. Yeah, it looks like a double. 75% off, $661. And the single vanity is $546.70. It used to be $781. It's a plethora of them here as well. And if you guys looking for a sink head, they got you. There's a plethora of them back here, range from $34. It was just the same amount since I was here. Single window hinges out here. This is a 36 by 25. This one seems to be a lot bigger. $34 shower heads as well. Then we got the black colorway. These are also Allen roof. This one's a little bit cheaper, $27.49. And this one is just the sprayer, I believe. Yep, sprayer settings for $27.49. This spot is a great hack for homeowners or people who have startup homes who also may have an Airbnb or their own multiple properties with tenants inside of them. Great hack. I was considering getting one of these remote fridge. Used to be $429. Now it's $186. It's on clearance. I literally think about buying one of these. Literally. Store it underneath my island, kitchen island. So I don't have to go to the fridge, man. I can just reach underneath me and grab it. So I got the results I'm looking for. So everything is sold here but the actual physical mesh shelf. Let me show you. Right around here, I'm gonna give you the smaller version of what I need. The smaller version of what I need can be found. This is it. However, you look at it, look like a dog kennel, but it's not a dog kennel. It's actually a shelf for the rack, and it's actually for this rack right over here. But this is a small rack. I don't want these. These are flimsy. I want the heavy duty one. So for the size I need, I have to purchase it at a different location. This one's actually 48 inches wire shelf deck. Again, it's not as rigid, but the guy who I just spoke to, ironically, he also watches my other channel. I have another channel, by the way. And he was kind enough to provide me the information, the item number, along with the price. And he also told me it's on sale, which is a great thing. My concern was, would it fit on that big rack that I want to purchase? That big rack looked like this, heavy duty. As you can see, these are items I need. He confirmed exactly what I need. So the rack I'm looking to get needs to sit on top of here, and it's going to be wired. It's not going to be one solid piece. I'm thinking about getting two shelves. Even though you can put multiple shelves on here, I just want two because I won't be able to stack tall stuff on these racks. So having three shelves may not be ideal for it. Maybe I can get away with it if I get a one all the way to the top. Then I have the third shelf that can be stacked on the top, middle, and then the bottom. That could be ideal, but for the most part, I'm just going to get, can't fit it inside the car. So I guess I have to figure out the size I need because but again, they make two different sizes. This one is 84-inch. This is the width, and this one is 77 inches. Again, this is the width. The height doesn't matter, it's the width. So I gotta find out if the shelf that I plan to purchase is going to that width. And he didn't put the size, so I have the item number, I got the location. This is all I need. So appreciate him. I will call over there based off of the items I find here, and so they can tell me which is a good mesh. This is my second visit. Hopefully my third visit, I already have some of this stuff set up and purchased. I remember in the previous video, I told you about tax-free shopping. Florida have two of them. I think the one's beginning of the year. The second was towards hurricane season, which is around August. Well, here you go. Here's proof. All portable generators, 10 kW or less, are tax-free. Tax-free, my guy. Perfect time to buy a generator. Don't buy it when you need it. Buy it in the off season. Almost forgot. Supposed to buy a few of these. I don't have one. Okay, got you, makes sense.